This is the same project that we did before on the first video. I just removed some keyframes just to make easier to create and add some details with less frames. Let's put some glasses on him. But how are we gonna do this if we already have an animation? It's very easy. Let's add a circle. Let me close here. Horizontally scale. Let me put here a big glasses. Let's increase the thickness. The other side now. It's good. I will send this part to back the nose. Glasses, nose. Shift page down to back of the nose. I'll draw the stem, the eyeglass stem. It doesn't need to be nice, it's just to show how it works. Black color, and what else? Send back to the ear. Okay, here is the glasses. The problem is that our glasses is not animated. I'll go to the beginning. I will press F8 to clear all the static animation that Arttista did to me. And what we gonna do now? I will tell to these glasses follow this point and the rotation that is around this point. So is this that option that we already saw, called follow last segment, Ctrl F5, and we got this. And now our character is seeing just fine. Let's do another change here. Let's change the lens color. It will be nicer than before. Something like this. A little bit of transparency. And this is it. So stay in touch to the next video tutorial about add details to a walking cycle.